Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul to share with you guys, and this one is going to be pretty much all jewelry and some storage. So you can go to Temu.com or go to your Play Store on your phone and download their app. I personally love using the app. You can find everything just so easy. They're so easy to shop with. They have a ton of different products, from crafting to household stuff to just everything you can think of. So I have a coupon code to share with you guys. This is for new users and old users. You can go ahead and use the code pick3233, and that will give you a coupon bundle for up to $100 value. So it's a really good deal. I only shop when there's coupons available to me because I just love saving money, as you guys well know. So let's jump on in and see what I got. So I wanted to start off by showing you guys these storage cases. They have the most amazing... Sorry, I gotta tickle my throat. So they have the most amazing storage containers. These are my favorite. There is a double closure here, and these dividers do not come out. These are the ones that I get the most, and they come in a variety of sizes. There's 24, 28, 32, I think 36. There's smaller ones that are like 4, 3s, like there are all kinds. I have a whole video on where I hauled a bunch of storage. It was the Temu video before this one, so you can always go check my playlist. But I wanted to show you guys how it looks once you start going ahead and adding your items to it. So I do have an empty one right here that I'm going to use for this video. As I open things and show them, I am going to start organizing things. So they sent these little turtles right here. I don't know what the background says, but I think that these are just so stinking cute. You have the mama, you have the baby right here. They're in gold. Love gold. So those are so pretty. And then these are just absolutely gorgeous. I want to go hang these in the window of the kitchen where we get the most sun. I think if you have a tree... I wish I had a tree outside. I think these would be amazing to hang up outside in a tree and just let it go ahead and catch the sun and just, you know, shine. And these were $1.68. So there is a silver one. There is the gold one right here. And they come in different variety of patterns. So you can see right here that this one has like the little sun and then the moon. And then you have this little crystal down at the bottom. And this has stars, a star with the moon, and then some more little stars, and then the sun down here. So they do come in a whole variety. I want to say there was like a dozen different ones that you could go ahead and go look at. And they're just absolutely beautiful. I just, look at those crystals right there. They're just so pretty. You know that these are going to look amazing out in the sun. Just even with just my lights right here, they look beautiful. And then I got some chain here. This was $1.07. And this one, it says it's 3 meters. So you guys know how much I love doing chunky charms. And I just thought this one would be really pretty because it already has like little beads already added to the chain. So I think I'll just give it like a little bit of extra something there. And the little loops are not huge. So if you have really thick jump rings, you know, you might not be able to get these through, but just any average one that you get, you won't have a problem using at all. Oh, this would be a really pretty, like, bracelet. Like, look at that. Look at how nice and dainty that is. And because you get so much, you can make yourself a little bracelet and then go ahead and make a little, like, neck choker out of this. Ooh, an anklet. Oh, wow. You could do like a whole accessory kit. That would be really cute. Because you definitely have more than enough to do a necklace, an anklet, and a bracelet. That would be so cute. And then you could do one for like you and your daughter, you and your best friend. That would be really, really nice. Have little matching sets. And then this is 100 pieces. It was $1.88. And these are little fishies. So I just wanted to show you right here all the different colors. There's this white one that has like a little bit of a purple shine. There's blue, there's yellow, there's green. And then here's some right here so you can just see them nice and up close. So just tiny little fishies. It was advertised, I think, as like nail art, but my nails are too short to have these big old fishies on there. But That's what those look like. These are cute. I think these are a great size if you have like a fishing trip, you know, and you can just add a little bit of fishies because they're like nice and thin, so they're not going to add too much bulk to your scrapbook. So that was an idea for them. And then I was also thinking I have a little Sea Life glue book. And like I said, I don't think it'll add too much bulk, so I think this will work out really nice for that. And for under $2, for $1.88 for 100 pieces, that's an amazing, amazing deal. Our next items were $1.38, and you get 30 pieces plus the storage case, which you guys know I'm such a sucker for because I am trying to clean and organize my space. So you have a antique gold, a bright gold, and a silver, and these are actually book corners. So what you could do is you can take your glue and then just go ahead and stick them right here down in the corner, and then it's up to you on how many you want to use. Like you could frame the whole thing. Oh, sorry. You can frame the whole corners if you wanted, or you can put one at the bottom and one at the top and have them be like diagonal to each other like this, or you can have them all on one side like that. So it's just kind of up to you. You can put it on a page. These are super thin and lightweight, so they're not going to be adding a bunch of bulk to your craft project, which is really, really nice. And then you can actually paint on these as well. If you wanted to give it a different kind of a look or a different color, you know, feel free to go ahead and paint on those, no problem at all. Next up, I have these beads, and I love them. They are two-tone. They're so pretty. This one reminds me of my son because he always says that gold and purple is royalty. And that's what this one is. They are split in half, so half gold, half like a golden yellow. And these were 89 cents, and these are 8mm beads. This one's gonna be really nice for Christmas. You got half gold, half red. This one is half gold, half pink. I'm calling it gold. It looks gold to me, but I guess you could say that it is kind of like a dark yellow. And then this one is kind of like a copper, half blue. Oh, and they do have little splatters and streaks of gold. You can kind of really see it on that one right there. Then this one is definitely an orange. There's a couple of these pink ones got stuck in there, so those aren't meant to be in there. But it's half orange, half yellow. You know, just ignore those pink ones. I don't know why they're in there. And then this one, oh my gosh. If you are doing a summer chunky charm, a summer album, a summer swap, you need this one. It's half red, half green. It's giving me watermelon vibes. Like, these are just so pretty. As soon as I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, that would be perfect for a watermelon chunky charm. So, well, you know what? Christmas. I didn't think of that, but I don't know why. Like, I instantly thought watermelon. And then this one is like a teal kind of blue-green with the yellow. And then this one is so pretty right here. Half blue, half purple. So 8mm, only 89 cents. Like, I'm telling you guys, you cannot beat their prices. They have the best prices out of anywhere I've seen. And then like these, we are just going to start to dump and organize. So this one I'll probably need 2 compartments for, and I just wanted to show you how nicely it is to have this little storage case. So you see it did take 2, so I'll be able to take all of this and just organize it. So if you were buying charms or any kinds of beads, just automatically throw one of these cases in there. You'll be so happy that you did, that you could just grab everything and organize as you get it in. If you like glass beads, these right here are a must. They are just absolutely gorgeous. You get 100 pieces for $1.52, and these are 4mm. So each one of these trays was only $1.52, and look at how pretty and iridescent and shiny these are. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're so pretty. And then I did also choose the mixed color because you just never know which color you're going to need. These are such a really pretty, great size. And then I have these gold spacers that you can use as well. So this one was 71 cents. You get 50 pieces and it's 8 mm. And then this one is 71 cents and it's 6 mm, but you get 80 pieces of this one. So you could just compare the two sizes right there. And then I do have another gold one. Here it is. This one came in a little bit of different packaging. This was 71 cents. And this one is 100 pieces for the 4 mm size. And here is just the size right there, so you could just compare all three sizes so you can see and compare which one you need. Honestly, I would just get one of each the way that I did. It's just a lot easier because you might think you need a specific size, but then when you start really putting everything together, you kind of change your mind. That's what I do a lot of time is I'll put something on a head pin and then I'll look at it and it just didn't work out the way I want, so I'll take everything off and rearrange it. So it's always nice to have a variety of colors and a variety of sizes. That's why I always tend to gravitate towards getting one of each size or, you know, these mixed packs because you just never know what you're going to need at that time. So these butterflies are 10 pieces. They are a 14 mm and they were $1.52. Now there are more colors than just these four right here, but doesn't this one give you like peacock vibes? It's gorgeous. Like there's blue, purple, and green in there. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with those. This one is a blue to purple. This one is a pink with a little bit of orange to a green. And then this one is a blue with a little bit of yellow to a green. And like I said, there are more colors. They're just absolutely stunning. I am so happy that they sent me these. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. Now these are a glass, so pretty. Love those. Now, the last item I have to share with you guys today are these beads. These are so pretty. This is my favorite color right here. This dark deep red. This is my absolute favorite color right here. It is so pretty. I think it comes out more red on camera than what it is in person. It's a lot darker in person. These are glass beads. These are 10 mm beads and they are $2.57. So I have red. I have black. There are more online than what they sent me. And like you can see like the little stone to it. Like this isn't not like perfectly round and smooth. So I love that. I think that's beautiful. There's this one that just has like a whole variety. Like can you imagine making a bracelet out of this? Wouldn't that be so pretty? And they're like so cold and fresh to the skin. I love how they feel. This one is gorgeous. I love it. It has like speckles of gold in there. I'm not sure if you can see in this one right here that I'm kind of like moving around. Oh my gosh, this one's absolutely beautiful. I love this one. This one would definitely be a beautiful little bracelet right there. And then we have this one that has like little spots to it that I think is pretty interesting. So some of them are more green, some are more blue, some are half and half. Some have the little spots, some of them don't. I just thought those were really, really nice. I gotta say these two right here, I just love. Like look at even just mixing those together to make one bracelet, I think would just be gorgeous. So that is our little video for today. I just wanted to bring in the boxes and show you how everything got all done and organized. I've sorted things out. So like I put the glass ones in here. My gold pieces, I started this like little box before of the gold one. See, this is that larger size. Remember I told you guys they come in a variety of sizes and they're so inexpensive. Like you guys just definitely need them. You see, as I get stuff in, I just pop them in here and I am good to go. I love these. So that's our little video for today. I'll leave a link down below to everything. I'll leave a link to their website. And then don't forget that coupon code pick3233. All right, bye guys.